Texas, plus spécifiquement à Red Oak. Je suis ici avec des membres du comité exécutif et Éric Martel. Hi Tony.
Hi,
How
welcome
are
to
you?
you. Very well, welcome. Before you start, I have this little surprise for you.
I love surprises.
I'd like to introduce Larry Marsh.
Oh my God.
Larry is
Hi
from
Larry,
Texas.
how are you?
This is our,
Woo!
Larry is a 5th generation Texan.
How do I wear? Oh wow, this is,
There you go.
thank you so much for, I'm gonna keep this.
Yes, looks good, looks good.
All right. Tony, what do we do here in Red Oak?
So this is a 250,000 square foot air conditioned facility. We have a fully integrated manufacturing, high technology that builds a Smooth FlЄx Wing for our premium product.
So we build the entire thing here, the wing.
Yes.
The inside,
Yeah.
everything, and then we close it.
Yep.
We put the skin on it,
Yes.
and then we bring it here, we wrap it up,
Yep.
we say made in Texas,
Yep.
and then it goes where?
It goes to Toronto by truck. So it's a really slick operation. We've cut the assembly hours to 65%. I'm very proud of the team, and everyone here is just really bought into the goal, working on the best product in the best state with the best people.
How do you feel Bombardier shows up in Texas?
You know, we came here in February of 2019, and very quickly it became evident of the Texas pride. People just want to do a good job. You can see our wing here, it says made in Texas.
Yes.
The employees wanted that. It's a pride to build a wing combined with the pride of Texas. It's a real winning team.
You guys are so amazing, and I'm gonna keep this for a very long time.
Thank you. Merci, merci. Thank you everyone.